So there are three reasons why your coaching doesn't work. The first reason is you omitted to tell your coach important information when you set up your goal, like you have addiction, you take antidepressant medication, or any big things that will impact your goal. And that is a big mistake because it's going to obviously prevent you to reach your goal. The second big mistake you're doing is that, well, you're just not showing up. You're late, you're canceling, you're not doing your homework, and so on. So really not showing up for yourself. And the third one that I see a lot is that you're just focusing on the gap. And what I mean by that is that you're not looking at the gain, everything you've done well so far. You're just focusing on what's missing. So again, three big mistakes. You were not totally transparent with your coach when you set up your goal. Two, you're not showing up for yourself. And third, you're just focusing on what's going wrong and not what's going right. And I will let you on a little secret. There is a reason you're doing that, and it is called self-sabotage. Your brain doesn't really want you to change. It is scary for him or her, and he's going to make in place all these strategies in place in order to avoid you to change. So really be careful when you start working with a coach, is that you are not your worst enemy. You're not getting in your way. So if you're seeing these patterns, make sure that you're not doing the things I see often, just stop the coaching, saying it doesn't work for me. See that you hit a resistance and that on the contrary, you're on the right path. Good luck.